Hi guys, Justin in the garage here today. It's almost December now. Most of my vehicles have been put away for the winter, with the exception of my 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. But I won't be winterizing this thing as I have some plans for it over the winter. So currently, even though this is a 1966, which came with a 1300cc engine, it was replaced at some point in its life with a 1600 single port. I plan to eventually get a 1300 off my dad and swap it back in. But for now, my plan is to take this one out, freshen it up, swap in the cam, dual port heads, and dual carbs. But before we do that, time for one last test drive. Thanks for watching guys. Click subscribe and stay tuned as I pull up the engine to start the rebuild.